My name is Dr. Adam Pillon. I am the Chief Scientific Officer of the company Conceivium Biotech. We are in Southwestern Ontario, and we use genetic solutions and innovations to tackle fertility and reproductive health. We currently do PGT, which is pre-implantation genetic testing, which is done on biopsy samples that are provided to look at chromosomal structural anomalies or chromosome number anomalies, monogenic conditions. We also now do workflows that look at the microbiome to assess the female receptivity health. And we also work with research samples to kind of develop new tests. Our goal is just for genetic innovation, making sure that we were science forward, but also customer forward. And then also it was turnaround time and remaining in Canada. Windsor, where we're located, is a kind of underserviced community, right? There's only one fertility clinic here. And then when we started looking broader, we realized there's actually not a lot of Canadian PGT labs. If we keep everything here, we do the analysis, the extractions, every piece is done in Canada in a small local community that we want to thrive. We kind of approach that as this would be the perfect opportunity to start something like this. When we were trying to evaluate different NGS platforms and which one we were going to go with, we wanted to have an end-to-end protocol that was validated for small samples. And we wanted to be able to have a company to work with that was going to give us that very quick response time. Like, it's just as urgent to them as it is to us, and figured out a way to get ample amplification before we're moving into the next generation sequencing. What was great from Thermo Fisher Scientific was we had our field application scientists actually come here. They went through the protocol start to finish. We did about 3 months of very intensive training with the validation team, with myself and another member of our team, so that we were adequately trained before we kind of jumped into that validation step. And having that kind of one-to-one approach was fantastic. That service was going to be offered to us by the purchase of our Ion Torrent and the S5. When we went through that 3-month validation, it was weekly check-ins. Did we get the results we were expecting? Are we getting reproducibility? All of those things allowed us to be incredibly confident in the tests that were provided. It's kind of invaluable to a team like myself, where making sure we have extra minds and extra eyes on the validation, I think, provides the most accurate test. For the partnership that we have with Thermo Fisher Scientific, the biggest thing has just been the constant communication. We are in constant communication with our field application scientists, with our validation analysts, with our sales representatives. Everyone is constantly in contact with us so that we never feel like we're having to reach out to them. We want to provide any genetic service that we can for reproductive health and other research avenues. We want to develop new tests where we can just be the one place that everyone can go. If I had to summarize my experience in one sentence, I would say that we're partners and we're chasing the same goals.